Good morning from Mount Sherman Trailhead.
This is a 5-mile hike that'll take us all the way up to 14,043 feet. There's a little over 2,000 feet of elevation change. And this is a class 1 trail, which basically is just a hiking trail. And there's classes 1 through 5, and we'll leave information below so you can find out the information about the other classes.
One of the cool things about Colorado is that on so many of these trails, you will see old mining remnants, which is pretty amazing. And maybe you'll even be curious to explore them. Note that these structures are not safe because they could collapse at any point in time. But if you wander off trail, there are also dozens of mine shafts and a lot of these hikes which have been covered over time by shrubs. But if you step over it, you can fall down in, and a lot of these can be fatal because it's really hard to get you out. Always remember, friends, leave no trace. Found this in that bush, so it goes home, pack it in, pack it out. So I'm just coming up around the corner to meet up with Adam after that shot, and we are getting our first glimpse of Mount Sherman. Let me show you. Right up there. That's where we're going. Where all those people are walking, that's where we're going. Then we're taking the saddle all the way, all the way. Whoop, 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 whoop. There. All right, Adam, tell everybody how hard this is.
Brutal. Oh my gosh. I just keep looking at the top though. We're almost there, but
Sort of.
sort of. Thanks.
Sorry.
You just improved my,
I just
motivation.
deflated you.
We're getting close though.
For anybody who thinks that a 14er is a piece of cake, it's a piece of hard cake. We made it to the top of Mount Sherman. So that was quite a steep climb on the way up, but we did it. Not gonna lie, 14ers are no joke, so don't just come out here and hike one if you're not prepared.
This is our second 14er. We had Mount Bierstadt last year.
Third if you count the drive up to Hike's Peak.
I think we count that. So we're gonna have some lunch right now. Just enjoy the views. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.